Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go over this turbo trade that we're in. So, very interesting trade here, and I want to show you the downside that we have for this, because this is actually remarkable. And I'm very surprised the bulls are actually pushing forward on this. So I'm in a nice short here. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at some of these volume profiles, and I'm going to show you right quick. Let me just take over this whole screen. Okay, what we have here, so insane to me. Okay, so we're actually looking at we're on OK spot. We're just going to go down the line here. So this is the monthly naked point of controls. You don't see any contention until way further down. So here are the weeklies as well. Okay, and lastly, the daily. But take a look at these volume profiles. This is going to blow your mind. So here we are, out of balance for the month. Look at the previous month. There's nothing through here except for the value area low all the way down here at essentially $1.20. That's on the monthly. Same with the weekly. Look at this. Nothing all the way down here around 2. Okay, and this is across all exchanges. It's so wild to me. We saw this earlier last night, and I just knew this was a coin to short. Look right here. I mean, that is just so far down. And if you want to just have an idea, I mean, we're looking at 41% down. Now we're on an okay spot here because I'm on this because I've checked them all. We'll go ahead and go to Bybit right quick and just quickly show you. This is the exchange we're on. We'll go through all the exchanges if you like. They're all equally the same. We do have to worry about one thing, and that is bulls currently trying to push this up. I'm guessing they aren't seeing. This must be some of the diamond hand holders. But if you're a futures trader like myself and you trade the charts and you see all this, then you'd be shorting this along. So here we are on Bybit. This is the monthly volume profiles we have here. Same thing. The VPOG, volume point of control, at 1.1. On the weekly here, same thing. No contention till 1.9. Yeah, very, very wild. Just went up so fast, you know. And it is what it is. And we'll go through one more example, just one more major exchange. I guess we could take a look at. I haven't looked at WooX. We'll take a look at Binance right quick, and then we'll cut this out, cut this short, so I can go back to monitoring this trade. Just to give you an idea of what the take profit is, around 1.9. I'll show you in just a second. I mean, inevitably, I have had to pat myself on the back for these diamond hands I had. And because I just knew that ultimately, this is a coin that's rallied up 15,000%. Okay, so here we're on Binance. Monthly naked point of controls, negative. Doesn't even. This came on Binance rather late, so as you can see, this is not a good example here. This is really incomplete data. Let's take a look at WooX. I haven't looked at WooX yet, so let's take a look at order flow right quick. Hopefully, good. We hit that. They broke through. The bulls broke through this 618 right here. This local, and we hit the 786 and have fallen. But man, they are putting some volume in here. We must have a well with a limit order set over here, absorbing these market longs. We must. It is making me a little bit nervous. Because I did compound my entry at the 618. Okay, you know me. Look at this, just getting absolute insanity. Volatility out of this world. Alright, so here we are on WooX. Be the first time I'm looking at WooX here. Oh, these days, these are very. There's not many days on this. Huh? Is that 19? Yeah, not a whole lot of data here. Yeah, here either. I do know Big It has it. Big It will. This will be our third and last example. I did go through. This has been on there a little bit, so yeah. It just goes to show you this Excel chart is just beautiful to be able to show me what I need for these altcoin trades. You know. Okay. Ultimately, there is some naked point controls here on this monthly right here. And this weekly here as well. Looks like they both are at the same level here. Let's see. 2488. Zoom in right here. 2488 as well. Okay, so there is some. Wow, a lot of MPOCs here on the daily, but I think that this 2488 as well here. Okay, so we need to mark this down. Okay, we have this one right here. This is going to be a monthly, weekly, and I think it's a daily as well. I want to see something real quick. Dang nabbit, that is a little bit oh, that's right at our level there. Well, how far down is that? 30-something%. Okay, just give you an idea right quick what take profit would be at $1. We were going for $1.25. We may have to switch out to 2.48. We can do partial. Point. Let's see. 2 point. We're gonna front run that. $2.55. I like that better. Okay. We will take out half here. $3,000. But I think I'm gonna play this by ear. I'm a bit concerned now. We are pushing up a little bit. Real quick. Oh man. Look what it has here. Looks like Big E is controlling this monthly value area low hit. Okay, this is the chart we need to be looking at here. Still 2488 POC here. That's going to be, it would probably do us in. So BitGet, okay. What volume it has. Here we are. Yeah, oh, it definitely has a lion's share of oh wow, yeah. that's running this market right here. Definitely the most volume. Okay, we need to be on this chart looking. Dang it! And this daily level of, oh man, yeah. I'm glad I caught this in time. It's now back above this daily level. Wow. Okay. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a move here then. Bybit holding strong here though, but look, 886 hit. Oh, and going up through this now. Okay, yeah, because it bounced off its weekly value area low is what happened here. And I feel like I'm forced to take profit now, ultimately. Very much so. Wow. Yeah, okay. Well, we're going to have to re-enter this. And that's just what it's seeming to be. Who would have guessed Bitcoin, huh? Alright, I don't want to lose any more than that, so. We'll do this on the phone real quick. Oh, look at that. That was realized. Okay. I mean, I feel like you had to with this rallying up like this, you know? Okay, maybe even full. Let's see. There's right at the CC there. Does it get through this? Here is the test. Oh. If this gets shut down, I'd be really angry at myself for closing out. Yeah, look. Oh, beautiful. And yeah, this is not gonna go. It would surprise me if it goes higher than this. The value area low, the previous range right there. Pushing up, huh? Pushing up. All right, let's go and take full profit and get on. We'll refine a re-entry. All right.